pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to join the Gem Squad family and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so I got my winter FabFitFun box. I did the seasonal, $49.95 I believe it is, and I'm going to share it with you. So are we ready? We are ready. Let's do this. I will put the value of the products on the screen for you. And the first thing that I pulled everything out so it'd be a lot easier is the Michael Kors beanie, which I love. I think that this is super, super cute. I have no idea what it looks like on me right now, but I love it. Absolutely. The next thing I got was the Winky Lux lip oil. Ooh, I wonder if this will get rid of the dry lips. When it's cold, oh, they automatically just, and it's like, oh my gosh. Grab my mirror. Aw, yeah, I do. The hat is so cute. Okay. It smells like vanilla cake or vanilla icing. Okay, lip oil, I'm here for it. Definitely. Okay, the next thing that I got was the Tropical Trio. You might remember this from the spring box, the dental floss. I was so not happy when I got this the first time, and I got it the second time, but I will tell you this, it is thicker, so it does get more in between your teeth than the Reach does, and this does not make my gums bleed at all. So I did find a difference, so I'm not mad about getting this. I'm actually okay with it. So okay, moving on. The Vegan Mani Moments Mani in a Box Duo with a nail file. Alright, I did not know that there was a nail file in here. I missed it somewhere. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, here's the nail file. Then we've got 3 pink packets. Okay. Labeled 1, 2, and 3. We have a sugar scrub. It says gommage. So is that for the face? Gently massage onto hands and forearms. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, so it's not for the face. It is indeed for the body. Then we've got number 2, which says a cream mask. Apply onto hands. So you're going to wash your hands, you're going to mask them, and what is the third thing? The cream, the moisturizer, massage butter they call it. Oh wow, okay, so let's see if this is the same thing over here. You've got 1, 2, 3 in green. The first thing is a sugar scrub. Says the same thing on the back. So the next thing is a cream mask. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes, and then a massage butter. Same thing. Okay. Huh. That should be interesting. I wonder if this will be similar to Mary Kay's Satin Hands. If you've ever used that, I used to love that. Anyhow, that's what's in this box here. And I'm okay with it. I mean, my hands do get dry, and if I don't put anything on them, they will start to crack. So that is very uncomfortable. Then I didn't know I was getting. I got Wellness Made Easy. It's the Liquid IV Fueling Life's Adventures, and it's 3 samples. So what we have in here is different flavored drink mixes. There is a lemon ginger, a tangerine, and a strawberry. So why not, right? I don't drink regular water, I drink sparkling water anyway, so I've always got flavor, but this will be good if I don't have one of my waters in the house. Okay, then I tried Glamnetic. I got them in FabFitFun, the Glamnetic Lashes, even though they're super short. I'm going to go ahead and try these out. This was a choice, and I did choose them, and I've used several different magnetic lashes, and none of them have really worked for me, so don't know why I want to try this again. I guess because I'm over the glue. This one here is a marker liner. Oh boy. Alright, and I already put liner on, so I've got to go over this. And I'm going to have to make a bit of a thicker line. Now with this, do you put the mascara on before? Probably. I would think. I hate having eyelids that move. Okay, let's go ahead and grab some mascara real quick. Ooh. This is the Ouai mascara. I like it. I like the wand. Okay, let's try out these lashes. They're so tiny. I really thought they were going to be bigger than this. The style is Virgo by Glamnetics. No, let's see. Not bad. It's very subtle, and they're higher than my natural lashes, so you can kind of see. I don't have to cut the ends with these. That's good. Oh boy. Really, it's about getting the liner thick and straight. Okay, what do you think? It's falling off. Let's go ahead and go in with a little bit more liner. This should be interesting. I can't believe how little these are. They were just a tad bit longer. You're supposed to let it dry? I don't remember. And this I cannot read. I'm totally used to the glue ones. Been doing them for years now, so I don't. You have these problems when I do with the glue, but this is easier in a way, but not if you're used to just with the glue ones. Oh, here I am doing this. There's no glue on it. Oh my gosh. I have issues. I'm guessing it would take some practice, just like anything. Now what I want to do, because it's driving me insane, is I want to grab my mascara, because I can see, you see this? This may not work for me. Come on. And I want to coat my real lashes, which is lifting the magnetic one, but you can tell I've got lashes on, and I don't like that. Anybody want these? Lashes, I really want these to work for me. They don't. I'll include a clip in here. They're very short, but they're very fluffy. And the liner they give you is a marker liner. That's a little bit easier than last time, but I'll just put the clip in here of me trying them. The style is Virgo, and yeah. So that's that. And I think that was everything. No, it wasn't. There was one more thing, and we had been talking about it. No, two more things. The Herschel Tote. I love the color. I did not realize how big this would be. And it's funny because it says free gift for FabFitFun members. I thought we were paying for this stuff, you know? Anyhow, it's got 2 pockets in there, and it has a zipper, and that is it. But the color is nice. I am enjoying that. And there was one other item, the Slim Deep. I put this on after I took both seals off. There's 2 in here, and it just made my skin really shiny, and it smelled pretty good. So that was everything that was in my box. I do have 3 add-ons I'm going to share with you guys, but let's just recap real quick. The Slim Deep, which is supposed to be caffeinated and supposed to like firm you, I guess. I've never really seen too many of them work, but your skin does look nice after you apply it. The lip oil, that smells amazing. Then we have the Mandy Moments, the dental floss, the Glamnetic Lashes, the samples for the water, the hat, and the tote. So that was what was in my box. Let me know what you think. That is before the add-ons. Now, we'll get into the add-ons. The $7 add-on Bent Go, I thought was neat because you can actually, these things are actually $20, $25 in Target itself. And I was able to pick it up for $7. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. But this is a neat little thing. My daughter has to carry her lunch to school every day, so these are neat to do that. Then I got the Nectar sunglasses. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'm liking them. I believe these were $15 or $10. I don't know. I can put that on the screen for you. And then the last item, which I'm really not happy with and I was so looking forward to get, was the Impressions Vanity Mirror. Here it is here. It comes with batteries, but it also has a cord. And it just lights up one setting, just like that. That's it. The only bad thing is that this is supposed to angle for you. And whether you want it to or not, sometimes it'll quickly go down, but it goes down automatically and you have to keep moving it. Of course, it's probably not going to do it for the video now, but if I try to change it, it'll stay for a second, but then it goes down like that. That's what it's been doing. So, that's everything. I was really happy about most of it. The Glamnetic, I don't think I'll be trying again. This is like my 4th time trying it. But and the mirror, we'll see how it works. I'm sure I can figure it out. Guys, I forgot to include the bug zapper. So I'm just going to put this clip in here. I love these things. They kill the flies that are so annoying. And it's almost like a sport. You catch them, they sizzle, you get rid of it, and you do it all over again. Yeah. A way to stop it from doing that. But I do want to know your thoughts. Did you get these things? Did you know that about the mirror? Let me know all of that down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much. For those of you that I have addresses for, and for those of you that are members of the Gem Squad family, I went ahead and sent out some Christmas cards, so hopefully you will be getting them shortly, and some gifts as well. And then don't forget, my end of year giveaway is going to be coming up, and there are videos that have a little ticket in the corner. If you watch them, you have the opportunity to get a raffle ticket, which in turn is going to be part of my end of year giveaway, where I call out the names and the numbers on the raffle tickets, and what you guys win is the releases that I've collected from 2021, mostly palettes. Okay guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. I will link that video of how that raffle ticket thing works in here. And if you guys need me at all, talk to me down in the comments, and I will see you guys really, really soon in another video. Bye!